What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So, going to go over BTC. Nice breakout, pushing up towards our target zone. Sitting at 41.6, up 5.8 on the day. Seeing market cap 17 billion. 24-hour out volume 32 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, we're currently in profits on Gala Games, XRP, Matic, as well as ETH. All signals are given in the Discord. Completely free access to my trade signals if you hang around to the end of the video. So as you can see, we broke out of this ascending triangle, pushing up towards our wave 5 target. So potentially we'll see a rejection in between 42.9 and 42.3. So what we're doing is we're completing that larger wave 3, which is here in red, and then you're going to pull back in a wave 4, potentially back to this level of support of 37k to 39k before bouncing again and pushing up in a wave 5, and that could take you towards 50k. That's what I think is the likely scenario. We'll see how high we push up, but our wave 5 target zone is in between 42.9 and 45.2k. If we look at our next chart, we actually broke out of this ascending triangle, of this ascending channel, which is a bullish signal, because if we just consolidated and we started to roll, then you can come down to the middle line of the channel all the way back down to the support of the channel. I don't think we would come that low, but the fact that we broke out of the channel is a sign of strength for the bulls, and we're pushing up into this resistance zone in between 42k and about 46k. As you can see, we have a lot of resistance in this area, support here as well. So that'd be an area to look for a rejection. So basically what we're doing, we're completing that larger wave 3, pull back in a wave 4, and then we're going to bounce once again up in a wave 5 towards 50k. That's what I think is the likely scenario for BTC. DXY is looking like it's going to put in that large pullback, or sorry, that large bounce to the upside, which would lead to that larger pullback for BTC. I said to look for the inverse head and shoulders in our last video, and it looks like we're starting to put in that right shoulder, so we start to break that neckline, and that could be the start of the big push to the upside. So what will happen is BTC will push up into that target zone. We'll see the DXY start to take off towards the upside, which will allow BTC to see that wave 4 pullback, potentially down to 36 to about 38, 39k before bouncing again up in a wave 5. That's what I'm looking at for BTC, and that's what I think is likely. All right, gang, we're currently in profits on our XRP trade, our Matic trade, our Gala trade, and our Ethereum trade. Completely free access to my signals if you sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN all around the world, including the US and Canada. Once you make your first deposit of $100 or more in your futures account, you get a 20% bonus. So not only do you get my free trade signals, but you get a 20% bonus. So if you deposit $1,000, that's $200 completely free to trade with in your futures account, or $100, $20. Email me your UID and I will give you completely free access to my trade signals here. Let my Discord open up. We have over 2,500 members in the Discord, and what you receive access to is my VIP rooms, daily crypto analysis, my exact trade setups, crypto news. Members like to post their profits, as you can see, absolutely crushing it. Forex signals, Forex analysis, about to hit TP1 on USD JPY. Completely free signals for crypto, for Forex. All you have to do is sign up to BITUNIX, grab that 20% bonus in your futures account, free money to trade with, and you get access to my signals. It's a December special. Go check out the links down below. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.